If you're having Spotify login issues in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can immediately do in these situations is try to clear out the app cache. So what you can simply do is tap and hold the app of Spotify, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the Spotify app from the recent app list. Try to see if you can now log in. If the issue still persists, you'll also need to ensure that you are not connected to any sort of VPNs, and also make sure that the date and time is automatically synced. So if your date and time settings within your phone is not set or is not set to the actual date and time, this may be the actual issue that you're facing. So just head over to the date and time settings and make sure that you set this to automatic or use the network provided data so that the date and time is automatically updated. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues. This likely could mean that the Spotify is down right now. So in these situations, you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.